right, an update on my viewer map. Since I called out a few people, New Zealand really bumped up a little bit. China, Japan, several comments came in from Japan, Hong Kong, India came in, Israel came in. It's still, England. I'm not sure what to do about the United Kingdom there. You guys are about ready to sink with all the dots there. Really strong. A couple from Sweden and Norway came in. United States, I could just paint the whole thing red, so good job there. And I don't think there was any change to South America. So, hey, folks, if I don't have a dot by you, leave me a comment. This is Joe, out.
All right, folks. Hey, I'm constantly asked for some guidance, some coaching on finances. That's a lot of what my channel here is about. When I talk to somebody individually, the advice that I start with is to invest in yourself. It's not to invest in this fund or that fund or this HSA or this index funds. Invest in yourself. This week, I happened to get a reminder of that. Here's my, trying to do this backwards. I just got my certificate by the Society of Maintenance and Reliability Professionals that I am a certified maintenance and reliability professional since 2008. I was 44 at the time that I achieved this certification. So lifelong learning is one message in there. But I'm a degreed mechanical engineer. Early on in my career, I would say I started maybe about 25 years old. I became the equivalent of a black belt. That's a statistical process control certification, design of experiments, understanding how processes work, how they perform. Six Sigma, you may have heard of that. It's a certification that, hey, this person really understands how to manage defects, manage processes. So I got that certification early on, and I continued that through my career. So what are you doing to invest in yourself first? I think that's actually where you get your best financial returns, making sure that you're not just investing cash, but you're investing money inside of yourself. So I just wanted to give an example of that. Hey, this is Joe out.